Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover error handling. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover error number, p-error and string error. We can display the error number, using error number function, which require error number.h header file. We can display the description of error, using p-error function. Also, we can display error description, using string error function, which requires string.h header file. I am displaying 20 errors, using string error function, and for loop. In the next program, I am going to cover standard error and program exit status. We can stream error to output, using standard error function. We can exit from program, with status as failed, using exit failure, which is equivalent to -1. We can exit from program, with status as success, using exit success, which is equivalent to 0. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy ebook on C program interview questions, from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.